You are on the project list page. Here, you'll see all the projects you have access to. To view the analysis of a specific project, click the View icon on the desired project. Done. You're now on the page with all the feedback collected for that project, according to the selected period. This feedback was given by consumers about the companies participating in the project. If the project has registered establishments, you can filter the comments by establishment. Just select Establishment in the topic filter. If the project has products, you can also view feedback by product. Simply select Product in the same filter. Take the opportunity to explore the comments. You'll see how rich and revealing the information is. And now you might be wondering, is there a way to see the most talked about topics? The answer is yes. Just click on Main Topics in the side menu. We'll explore that in more detail in the next video.